Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Inspire English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today.
Before we start, I want to say something important. If you're listening right now and you enjoy learning English with real conversations, real emotions, and real-life examples, make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Yes, because most people who listen to podcasts like this are not subscribed, and subscribing really helps us continue creating content for you.
All right, let's begin.
Emily, you seem very energetic today. I am, David, and do you know why? Because today we are talking about my favorite topic for small talk, the weather. The weather. That is a very popular topic. In English-speaking countries, people talk about the weather all the time, don't they? They certainly do. It is the best way to start a conversation with a stranger. It is polite and it is easy. So, David, look out the window. What is the weather like today? Well, looking outside, it looks quite nice. The sun is shining and there are only a few white clouds. That sounds lovely. We would say it is partly cloudy. Is it hot outside? Not really. There is a nice breeze. The wind is blowing gently. I would say it is mild, not too hot and not too cold. Perfect. That is my favorite kind of weather. I love it when it is crisp and fresh. David, are you a fan of the summer heat or do you prefer the winter cold? That is a difficult question. I think I prefer the summer. I like it when it is sunny and warm. However, I do not like humidity. Oh, that is a great vocabulary word, humidity. Can you explain what that means for our listeners? Sure. Humidity is when there is a lot of moisture or water in the air. It makes you feel sticky and sweaty. It is very uncomfortable. Exactly. I agree with you. I hate humidity. I prefer the season of autumn or fall. I love wearing a sweater when the air gets chilly. Chilly means a little bit cold, right? Yes, it isn't freezing, but you might need a light jacket. Speaking of jackets, David, did you check the forecast for tomorrow? I did check the forecast. Unfortunately, it does not look good. The weatherman said there's a high chance of rain. Oh no, is it going to just drizzle or will it really rain? I think it is going to pour. Listeners, notice the difference there. To drizzle means very light rain, but to pour means very heavy rain. Yes, if it pours, you will get soaked if you don't have an umbrella. You will be completely wet. I hope you have your umbrella ready, David. Now, since we are talking about rain, I think it's time for our special segment, idioms. I love idioms. These are phrases that have a special meaning, different from the literal words. What weather idiom do you have for us today, Emily? The first one is under the weather. Under the weather? Does that mean standing beneath a cloud? No, not quite. If someone says, I am feeling a bit under the weather, it means they are feeling sick. Maybe they have a cold or a headache. Ah, I see. So if I sneeze and cough, I can say, sorry, I cannot come to work today. I am feeling a bit under the weather. That is a perfect example. Do you have an idiom for us, David? I do. My idiom is rain check. Oh, that is a very common one. How do we use it? Let's say you invite me to lunch, but I am too busy. I can say, I can't go today. Can I take a rain check? It means you want to reschedule the plan for another time. You aren't saying no forever, just not right now. Exactly. It is a polite way to say you are busy. Those are two excellent phrases for our listeners to practice, under the weather and rain check. Before we finish, Emily, I have one question. What happens if the weather changes suddenly? That happens a lot. We call that unpredictable weather. 1 minute it is sunny, and the next minute there is a storm. That is why I always carry my umbrella, just in case. Smart man. Well, listeners, that is all the time we have for today. We hope you learned some new words to describe the beautiful and sometimes crazy weather. Remember to listen to this episode a few times to practice your listening skills. Don't be afraid to repeat the words after us. Whether it is sunny or raining where you are, have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.